Hi everyone, welcome to my channel ICT Active Learners. Today I am here to explain the Cambridge IGCSE ICT 2021 May-June question paper 2-2 database part. So in this part of the question they said you are now going to prepare some reports based on duathlon results. So using a suitable database package, import the file G2122 duathlon.csv. So first of all, we need to create a database. I'm going to create a database with the name MJ 202122. And then I will choose my folder. As I have already a folder on desktop, I'm going to save my database over there. Close this table and start to import a table. Click on external data, text file, browse, and then go to desktop, choose your folder and choose the file J2122 duathlon. So just click on OK, then just click on OK to begin with the importing procedure. First step to click on next. Next step to click on first row contains the field name. Next, then we will check the data types by clicking on advanced here. Data types, so these are text, then number text, or text, number text, then again number, and then date and time. Yes, for all of them date and time, then text, and then long integer, and that's it. Just click on OK, click on next. Then here they have mentioned that your primary key is set race underscore number. So race number is our primary key. Next, and let's click on finish and let's see what happened. So here they say text file specification field separator matches decimal separator or text delimiter. So just click on OK, OK, cancel this one, minimize access and open your folder and click on the file. Here is the file, right click and make a copy of it and then just paste it in the same folder. Now rename it with the name called txt. Done. Yes. Now open Excel application here and then just click on open other workbook and then click on browse, desktop, go to your folder, choose all the files and then choose the file G2122 duathlon.txt. So this step, first of all you need to open the Western European window, then next choose semicolon and comma, next, and then click on finish. Done. Now click on file, save it as into the same folder with the name CSV, or you just choose from here comma separated value, just CSV file, just like that. Then click on save, yes, close, do not save this one. Now try to import the file. So here we have a file which is CSV, this is the one. Try to import this file now. First step to click next, then first row contains field name, next. Check the data types again, yes, if everything is perfect, yeah. Just click on next and choose your primary key as race number, next and finish. Let's see it works, yes, finish importing. The file is imported successfully. This is one. Let's move forward to the next. Import the file J2122 categories.csv. So let's try the same procedure with the categories.csv as well. Just click here, right click and make a copy and paste it again and then rename it with the file name txt. Yes. Open the Excel, then click on open other workbooks, then browse, desktop, move to your folder, all files, and categories.txt we are going to change it to CSV. So Windows, next, comma and semicolon, next, and then just click on finish, file, save as, into the same folder as CSV file. Yeah, so just remove this one, that's enough. Save, yes, close, and do not save now. Let's try to import the file now. Categories.csv. So first step to click next and row contains the field name next, and all the fields are text, so they are all text. Okay, next, and then choose the category underscore code as your primary key, cat code. Next, finish, and the file is imported successfully. Let's move forward to the next step. Import one more file, J2122 outcomes. So again the same procedure, outcomes, copy and then just paste it and then rename it with the txt name, txt. Then open the Excel application here and open the workbook, which is outcomes. Outcomes, yes, this is the one. So Western Windows, next, finish, and that's it. File, save as. I'm going to save it as CSV file, and that is a copy actually. Done, yes. Close this file, do not save any changes. Import the file called outcomes. This is the one. So next, first one contains field name next, and here is the Boolean logical field name for the last field. Data type is Boolean logical, means yes, no. Next, and choose the state code as your primary key. Next and finish. So the files are successfully imported. Now let's have evidence of all these three tables. Fine, just right click and rename it if you want to rename it as categories. That's it. Rename this one as well. That's enough. And rename this one as well with the same data. Now right click and design view and print screen this one and go to your folder here where you have your evidence document and move to evidence number 5. Evidence number 5 and just paste it over there, your evidence 5. of categories table first, format and crop it just like that. So that's it. And next step now, we'll go ahead with other table, right click design view, and then that's it. So yeah, so we'll just print screen this one, and then we will paste this one as our next evidence. Means the same evidence but different table now. And that's it. Fine, we'll close this table now. Right click and design view of this table and print screen, and just paste this one as your next document here, and then we're just going to crop it. So just to show the field names and their data types. That's it. Let's go back, click here to collapse the ribbon. Yeah, that's it. One thing which I need to do is you need to click here on the ranked and change this one to yes no as well. Save and view. Now everything is perfect. That's all the screenshots are done. Now we need to create one-to-many relationship as a link between category code field in the category table with the category code field in the duathlon table. So first of all, database tools, relationship, add these three tables. So from categories table, we'll click here and we'll just take it to the category tag in the duathlon table, one-to-many relationship, create, and then state code from outcome table to a state code in the duathlon table. So here is the state code with the state code. Create, a relationship is created between these tables, these fields of the table. That's it. Now print screen. So this is your evidence number 6 actually, to show the type of relationship or link between these tables. So this is how the relationship is made in the database. Let me just make it bigger, the screenshot, so it is more clear for the examiner to check. Let's move forward to the next step. Enter the following detail as a new record in duathlon table. Fine. Save and close this table. Open this table and click on new record and start entering the data. So first name is Dean, second name is Chess, Cheshire. Then after we have year about 1984 and GBR, the number is 1193. Then we have 01 and 44, then 08, yes, then 00, 29, and then 40, and then after is 00, then 01, then 20, then 00, 52, and 50. Then after 00, 01, 58. The last one is 00, 18, 18, and then 20. and then AGM/35, and then it is fin, number is 53. That's all. Save the record into your table and then just click on close. Using fields from all table produce a tabular report that. So we need to click on create a query using all the fields from all the table to echelon, then categories, and then outcome table. Next, modify, and right now I'm in step number 22, so I'm going to call my query 22. Finish. So select the records. Race category is Elite Pro. So race category. We need to find out the field called race category, Elite Pro, and then state code does not include FN. State code does not include FN. So we need to look for state code. State code. Yes, we'll just go back to state code. Field is there. Category code. I think that's the state code. Yes. So we just write here not include FN. So we'll say not FIN. Let's run the query. So state code not FN. Yes, there is no FN. Fine, this is done. Now next step is to move forward and go through the next procedure. What else they need in this report. So they just wanted us to not to show all the fields. There are some restricted fields. As they said, we need to get them only. So just click on save the query, close the query. In the query, if there is something like sort the data into ascending order of status. So here we have status into ascending order. So we just need to look for the field called status. Status is in ascending order. That's it. And then after, yes, okay. Save and close. Click on create report wizard and choose the field now as they mentioned. So race number, then first name, last name, then they need nationality, then they need here race category, then status, that's all, and ranked. Next, and no grouping of data as they said. Ascending order is already done. Sorry, descending order. So we'll change this one to descending order. Sorry, before I continue here, I would like to go back to my query and change this one from ascending to descending order. Then it will be much better if I continue with creating report now. As they said, race number, then first name, last name, then nationality, and then after they said race category, and then they have mentioned about status and ranked. Status, ranked, next, next, and next. Ascending I have already done with the descending order, and then the orientation must be portrait, next, and the heading must be non-ranking elite athletes. This must be the heading of our title of our report. Finish. So it is done, but we need to fix the report in such a way that all the data of the report is clearly visible. So we just need to click on this option. So we need to arrange these fields so the data is clearly visible. Just right click, then layout view, and we try to adjust this one, like I move this one towards the this category label. Yeah, it's a race number actually, just like that. And then furthermore, if you can make this one smaller, and just this one will need to be bigger, like this race number. That's it. Is the data clearly visible here? Yes, it is. Now we'll need to move this one even little bit here so that we can move the nationality over here. Then race category. So all the fields with the field name and data should be clearly visible. If it is not clearly visible, then you will not get the marks for it. Make sure everything is done carefully, like this one. And that's it. After this all, next step is to have your name, center number, and candidate number on the report. So we'll go to design view here, right click, design view, and get a label from here to have your name, center number, and candidate number. So I'm just going to type my name, center number, and then candidate number. That's all. Right click and print preview now. Let's see how it look like. So this is how it is on a single page with all the details they need from us. That's done. You need to print the report, and we'll move forward to a next step. Step number 23. Using fields from the duathlon and categories table, produce a tabular report. So we'll close this one and close this report. It is already done. Now create a query from athlons table, yes, and categories table, as they have mentioned. These two tables. Next, and we are now at step number 23. So I'm going to call my query step 23. Done. Here they ask us to select the nationality GBR or IRL. So means Ireland or Great Britain. So nationality is GBR or IRL. Just run. Yes, GBR, IRL. Go back. Next step is gender male. So we need to look for gender. We can get here gender male. Run. So all the genders are male, and next field is year of birth is between 1982 and 2001. So year of birth, we need to go to check for year of birth here. So between, we just write here between 1982 and and 2001. Let's run. Yeah, so 1982 onward. Yes. So right now we have only 42 records over here. So we'll just save this one and move forward to the next step. Contain a new file called athlete's age. So design view. We need to calculate the age, I guess. So here we click on builder, and for age what we need to do is exactly which is calculated at runtime to deduct year of birth from the current year 2021. Format this field to display as integer. So we'll just click on the builder here, and then after from 2021 they said till the year of birth we have available here. So you just write here 2021, then minus year of birth, and then just click on OK, and then choose the name as athlete age, your field name. This is your field name, and run the query, and let's see if it is calculated properly. Yes, it is. Now let's move forward to the next step. Here they say show only the fields. Show only the following fields. What are the following fields? Yeah, they are the one. Just click on save, and then they also mention sorting of data, that you can do it right now. Sort the data into ascending order of nationality. So design view, ascending order of nationality. Here ascending, and then descending order of position, and then descending order of position. Here it is descending. Save, close this query, and then click on your query, and then just click on external data, create a report, and choose the fields as they have mentioned. So first is first name, then last name, then after nationality, then we need gender. So gender is here right now. Next is year of birth. So year of birth, YOB. Then next is we need athlete age, the calculated field. Then next is run_1. Yes. Then T1, bike T2, run 2, and then total time and position, and then we have position as well. That's it. Next, and then ascending and descending order is already done. And then what we need to do is do not group the data, and page orientation must be landscape. So that is landscape. Next, and then what they want, senior male UK results. So that must be the title of your report. Finish. So now we need to fix this report to show all the data clearly visible when it is printed with the field names and data including under each title. So we need to fix it. That's what I'm doing right now. Yeah, and here select this one field. How I'm selecting this one click here, then press control button, then press the data, and then just arrange it as I said. Let's move forward. Run 1, run 2. Yeah, you can even make it smaller. Time 1, then we have time 2. And bike. Just like this. And total time. And I guess we have position here as well. Yeah, we have one more field called position here. Yeah, let me just click on print preview. It's page 1, page 2. Page 1 and then page 2. Yeah, total time and position. So I did not selected the position. So our report is wrong. So we just need to remove this one. Sorry for that. We'll get the report as well. Or we can even just right click. Yeah, we just click on report and choose the field as they said, first name, last name, first name, last name. Then we have nationality. Then we have gender. After nationality, there is gender. And then we have year of birth. Then next we need athlete age. It is here. Then we want run 1, run 2, run 1, T1, bike, T2, run 2. Exactly into the same order. Run 1, T1, T1 bike, T2, then run 2, then total time, and then position as well. That's it. Now we'll click on next, next, and there is no ascending, descending. We are already done in the query landscape, and here is the title. Now everything is perfectly arranged. Right click and we'll click on layout view. Yeah, we just try to arrange this one first of all. So all the fields are here. Yes. Data must be arranged in such a way that all the information is clearly visible, unlike this one. Yeah. So if everything is perfectly arranged, then there will be no way to lose any single mark. That's it. And let's move forward here. To move this one here, year of birth. And then we have athlete age. Yeah, this one can be smaller. Then run 1 is going to be smaller as smaller, so that the data is not heightened, but it is arranged in such a way the other fields will get enough space to get fit into the report. Just like this. Then T2, and run 2, and then we have total time, and then we have position here as well. So we need to get the position field. So here, if you have a look here, we are having here the position just at the corner. If not, you just right click and go to design view. So you will definitely get the position. Here's the data for position, just like this. And now right click layout view, just to check if everything is clearly visible. Yes, it is. The last step in this report is to calculate the number of athletes. Place this under the report formatted as integer. So just click anywhere, for example here, and right click gender and count the records. It will count the records for you. Here it is. And then after, we should have a label to the left of this value, which is number of athletes. So just right click here and then say set caption. So there is a caption at the left. Then just write here the label as they have mentioned. Make sure the label is fully visible. Yes, it is. That's it. And then after, you display your name center number in the footer, so it appears on the same position every page. Fine. Just right click, design view, click on design, get a label, and just type your name, center number, and candidate number in the page footer. Save. Yeah, this one, if you would like to write here, for example, in the bracket male, that is even enough. Run. Cancel. Why? Because the male field is not a field here. We have gender. Gender, yes. Now run. So it is calculated. Everything is clear. No data is hiding here. All the information is clearly visible. That's it. Now we need to save the report and print it. Of course, we will do that, but we need to place in our evidence document a screenshot of the formula that how we perform this calculation. So right click, design view. This is how we perform calculation, this formula. And then we will paste this one as step number 23, evidence number 7. So just crop and just show only the formula that we have used to perform this calculation. That's it. And here they have mentioned export the report created in step 23 in a PDF format. Save the exported report into your work area with the name senior. So just copy and save the report, close, then just click here, right click, export to PDF, and you would like to name it as they mentioned. So into the same folder at desktop, publish. Here it is, done already. Then minimize this one, close, and follow the next step to take the evidence that this file is exported into your folder. So here we have the file exported. So print screen and just paste it over here that yes, this file has been exported from database access to your folder. So here you must show that the file is exported. Moving forward, and that's it. Yeah, then we have mail merge part. Hopefully we'll have the next video about the mail merge. So till now, thanks for everyone for watching this video, and please subscribe the channel for more videos and updates.